What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful emerald green smoky eye for you. I was just feeling more dark and like kind of sassy today, so decided to do this look. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this, please keep on watching.
So first I'm starting off by priming my eyes with the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to set that with some translucent powder. For eyes today, I will be picking up the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and the shades I will be using are Rush, Mugshot, and Framed. Starting with Rush, I'm just taking a fluffy brush and blending that into the crease. With a smaller brush, I'm going to pick up Mugshot and do the same thing. And with that same smaller brush, I am using that to blend Frame into the crease as well. The next palette I'm going to be picking up is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, and the colors I'm using are Rockstar and Berry Treasure. Starting with Berry Treasure, I'm going to pat that all over my lid. And then I'm going to pick up Rockstar and blend Berry Treasure into all of the other colors that we blended into our crease. To further blend things together, I'm going to pick up Rush again and just, with a fluffy brush, blend those together. Next, I'm picking up my Smoke Sessions palette by Melt, and I'm picking up the shade Blue Dream, and I'm patting that all over the lid. I popped some Melt 420 eyeliner in my eye, and I'm just going to smudge it out. So next we're going to pop on some lashes. These are a pair of my favorites. They are the Lily lashes in the style Dallas. Now moving on to face, I am picking up the Benefit Professional Primer and just pressing that into my skin. The next thing we're going to go into is contour. I'm picking up the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in the shade Truffle and just laying that down and really contouring. I know it looks a little crazy now, but it will look totally different once we apply concealer and foundation and all that good stuff. Trust the process. For concealer today, I'm going to be going in with the Il Makiage Fucking Flawless Concealer and just applying that on my forehead, underneath my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, and chin, and I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. For foundation today, I'm picking up the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation and applying that all over the face. To brighten things up a little more, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer. Applying that to my forehead, under my eyes, my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and just blending that out. For powder today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and applying a light layer all over the skin, just to set all of those cream products that we laid down. Going back to the eyes, I'm going to apply Rush and Mugshot underneath the lash line, just to kind of give the eyes some more dimension. For my top and bottom lashes today, I will be going in with the Marc Jacobs Beauty Blacker at Lashed Mascara. To bring some life back into this face, I'm going to pick up the BALM Bahama Mama Bronzer and just apply that on my forehead and underneath my cheekbones and along my jawline. To add some more contour to this face, I am picking up the Kat Von D Beauty Suede Contour Powder. For blush today, I'm picking up a few of my favorites. I'm using the Il Makiage Bootylicious Blush, and I'm also going to pick up the Tarte Captivating Blush. These blushes are my absolute favorite. I think they look gorgeous on everybody, and they're just really good colors to have. For highlighter today, this is no surprise, I am picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Omrizi highlighter. For lip liner, I'm starting off with Melt Cosmetics Edible Lip Liner, and I'm lining my lips, and I'm going to buff out that line, kind of blend that line out, just so it's not so harsh. I'm going to go over that with the KYLIE Cosmetics Brown Sugar Lip Liner. And to top that all off, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Naked Liquid Lipstick. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me all your comments and feedback down in the comments. I would love for you to subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I love you so much. We'll see you next time.